Essay on Kabir Das. Introduction. Kabir Das, also known as Sant Kabir Das, was a Hindi mystic poet who lived during 15th century. He was a sharp critic of Hindu and Muslim religious customs and preached brotherhood and wisdom of character and conduct. Against caste system and idol worship, Kabir Das wrote small poems called dohas in either Sanskrit or simple Hindi. Though these dohas he condemned the caste system and other discrepancies that existed in the society. He also opposed to untouchability and animal sacrifice or meat eating for that matter. He opposed all this through his impressive poetic skills as a poet would do. Kabir Das also of the view that idol worship is a useless practice obtained by people. In fact, he was of the opinion that it would be much useful to contemplate one's conduct and character than to visit temples and worship idols. He was also the first poet in the history of the Indian subcontinent who outrightly rejected the caste system as prescribed in Vedas. He was also critical of daily morning azan conducted in mosques. He had wisely asked Muslim clerics that, "Does giving azan loudly lets Allah to hear the cry?" Due to his opposition to rudimentary religious customs, Kabir had faced severe threats and opposition from staunch religious men. Conclusion. Despite stiff opposition for his critical approach towards religious practices and societal norms, Kabir kept up his good work courageously. Though he was threatened many times, but these did not deter him from spreading the truth about society and making the people practically wiser. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.